In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use italics with fonts in Microsoft Word. Italics are a simple yet powerful way to emphasize text, highlight quotes, titles, or special terms, and make your documents more visually appealing. Microsoft Word makes it easy to apply italics to any text, while also allowing you to combine this effect with different fonts to create a polished and professional look. To begin, open your Word document and select the text you want to italicize. You can highlight a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document depending on how broadly you want to apply the effect. If no text is selected, Word will apply italics to any text you type from that point onward. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, you will see the Italic button, represented by a slanted letter I. Click this button to apply italics to your selected text. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I to quickly toggle italics on and off, which is faster for repeated formatting throughout your document. Next, consider how italics interact with different fonts. Some fonts are naturally designed to look elegant in italics, while others may have more subtle or distinct italic styles. For example, serif fonts like Times New Roman or Garamond display classic, readable italics, while sans serif fonts like Calibri or Arial offer a modern, clean look. Applying italics to these fonts can subtly enhance emphasis without overpowering the text. If you want to change the font style along with italics, simply select your italicized text and choose a new font from the Font drop-down menu in the Home tab. Word will preserve the italics formatting while updating the font, allowing you to experiment with different combinations for headings, emphasis, or body text. Remember, italics can also be combined with other formatting options like bold, underline, or color to create hierarchy and visual interest in your document. Use these options thoughtfully to make key points stand out without overwhelming the reader. And that's it. You now know how to use italics with fonts in Microsoft Word, allowing you to emphasize text and enhance the overall appearance of your documents. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.